How to use VPN on Android iPhone. So hello guys, in this tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that we will simply go to Play Store in our Android phone. If you have iPhone, you will simply click on App Store. Now search for Super VPN. So I'll simply search for Super VPN. Now we will download that second one. Once you install it, simply click on Open. Here we will wait for some seconds. Now here say auto select. When you click on auto select, here you guys can select the country you want to connect to VPN, and also you guys can see connect. So I will simply click on connect. Now I will wait for some seconds. Here we go, our VPN was connected. So this process was same for iPhone, and that's how you guys can connect VPN. Thanks for watching.